Hello everyone and welcome back to Rice Fix. Now guys, if your car battery or bike battery becomes low battery, then you fall in trouble guys. Like how this KTM bike of mine, I did not ride it for a while, and on this bike there is a new battery guys. Now because I did not ride it for too long, the battery is kind of become low battery. I will try to start it and I will show you guys. On that you will come to know properly. Now as you guys can see, this bike battery is kind of down. The battery is become kind of low battery and it kind of needs charging. Now to charge this battery you will have to take the battery out from the bike and you will have to take it to a place where they charge the battery. But guys, do we get something with which we can charge the battery at home only? That only we will see in this video guys. So first I will open my battery compartment guys. And to open the battery compartment you will have to take out this seat from the KTM, and once you take the seat out you will have to pull this cable which is there under the seat to unlock the battery compartment. So here my battery compartment is unlocked now. Once this gets unlocked you will have to take out this cover, and underneath this cover you will see the battery. Now on this cover I have placed visor like this so that the vibration becomes less. Now guys, here I have the battery tender. Now this is a very old machine. I had bought it from the US. This is a 12 volt 5 amps battery tender. So it's a very old machine guys. One side of this battery tender there are crocodile clips like this which you will have to connect to the battery. So this you will have to connect on the right side. Red means positive terminal and black means negative terminal. And if you look on the other side, then you will see a plug like this. Now because I had bought this battery tender from US, in US you guys know that there it's all 120 volts. So I cannot plug this in directly into our Indian wall outlets guys. To connect this I will need a step down converter. Now as you guys can see, this is a 120 volt machine. In the US most of the wall outputs are 120 volts, and in India the wall output is 220. So if I connect this machine directly to our Indian wall outputs, this machine will immediately burn. Now as you guys can see, these are the indicator light operations, means what light indicates what. If the orange light starts blinking when you connect the battery, it means that the battery is faulty or the crocodile clips are not connected properly. If stable orange light comes, it means that your battery is charging properly. If the green light is blinking, then your battery is 80% charged. If you want you can take it out, and stable green light means your charging is complete. So come on, let's connect this battery tender and let's start to charge our battery. I am also very excited guys. I have not used this machine for months now. Now because my battery has become low battery like this, I will have to use it because I have this product. If this machine is available in India, then I will try to put a link of it in the description or on the screen here. You can go there and check it out by yourself. Now this battery tender I have kept on the seat here. I have not kept it near the battery. I have kept it slightly far away from the battery. And the second thing that I will do is I will turn the key on off position and I will take it out completely, because while doing the charging you should not keep it on even by mistake. First time I am charging the battery without taking it out. I don't know if this will charge if I do it directly like this. Now on the battery positive terminal I have connected the red color crocodile clip which is supposed to be the positive side, and on the negative terminal I have connected the black crocodile clip. So here my battery connection is done. If you look at it closely, these wires which are connected on the battery, from here they go to the battery tender, and from the battery tender one wire goes to the wall outlet. Now this plug I will connect to my step down converter, and my step down converter I have connected to my wall outlet. I will turn it on, and once I turn it on, my battery has now started to charge. As you guys can see, my orange light is stable, which means that my battery is charging. But immediately guys, my green light started blinking, which means that my battery is already 80% charged. How that can be guys? And that too so fast. My bike was not starting. Now when this happens, what it means is your battery is charged, but near the terminals there is carbon buildup, and that is the reason why the battery is not able to give the full connection. And most of the time these things happen during the rainy seasons guys. Now I will wait till the green light is stable. Now here my green light has become stable. Very soon my green light became stable guys. Now I will disconnect my battery tender. First I will turn the switch off. Once I turn the switch off, I will disconnect both the connectors from my battery. Now I will check if my bike starts. Now here I have kept the camera on. How that camera turned off I don't know, but the bike did not start guys. So because of that, the next thing that I will do is I will disconnect the battery from the wires, and again I will start to charge the battery. Now to disconnect the battery terminals, first you will have to disconnect the negative terminal and then you will have to disconnect the positive terminal. But while connecting back, you will have to connect the positive terminal first, so remember that. So here I have disconnected both the terminals. Now again I will connect the battery tender to my battery with the crocodile clips and again I will start the charging. Now again you can see that the orange light is come, then the green light started to flash and then the green light became stable, which means that the battery is charged. So here I have connected the battery terminals. So now I will start the bike and see if it is starting. Let's see if it starts, guys. So here my bike has started, guys. So little bit of dance is allowed here. Maybe this was not a battery low problem, guys. Because there was carbon buildup on the terminals, the battery could not give full supply and that is the reason why the bike was not starting. Like this only I will show you another bike, guys, where there is carbon buildup on the battery terminals. Now as you guys can see, this is a Vespa LX. If I open the seat of this bike, then you will see the battery compartment here. Inside of this the battery is there. So you will have to take out this one screw. Once you take this screw out and once you take out this cover, you will see the battery here. Now this bike also is giving slight problem while starting, guys. Now if you look at these terminals from close by, then as you guys can see, they are kind of become green. This is all carbon buildup, guys. So I will disconnect this battery first. First disconnect the negative terminal, then disconnect the positive terminal, and with this your battery will be disconnected from the bike. Then I will put this battery for charging. I will connect both the crocodile clips and I will turn on the charger. Now here my battery is charging. Once this battery finish charging, I will do sanding on the terminals of this battery. So here my battery is charged fully. I will turn off the charger. I will disconnect it from the battery tender. Now here I have a sandpaper with me. Now with this sandpaper you will have to sand the terminals of the battery like this. How much carbon had built up on the terminals, you guys had seen that. So sand all of that out. The contact to the wires should be proper, guys, so that the bike can use the full potential of the battery. Then I will also sand the cable connectors, because on that also there is some carbon buildup, because these are the main connection points, guys. Here if the connection is proper, then your bike will start to turn on properly. So once I am done sanding on both these points, I will apply grease on all the connecting points so that the carbon will not build up here and so that my battery will nicely stay connected properly. Once I am done applying the grease, first I will connect the positive terminal, then I will connect the negative terminal and I will tighten the bolts properly, and with this my battery is now charged and now my bike also starts properly. Now guys, I would like to thank all of you guys for all the love and support that you are giving to my channel. Thanks for all of you guys for subscribing to my channel. But guys, this channel is still a baby. It is growing very slowly. Now to maintain this channel, I need support from you guys. So as much as you can, guys, share these videos. And if you guys have not subscribed yet, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will get a notification every time I release a new video. So please support me, guys. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.